Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a futures trading tutorial with the range breakout. Now, I've just been having a few spec meetings with my developer with the automated version of this range breakout, and it's for for oil, for gold, for copper, for indexes. But this is a perfect example of one of the three trading trade managements for that I want to go through. So one of the rules that we're going to have is that if the manager ribbon is green when it's set on aggressive, when we go into this opening range, we will switch to what's called a conservative trade management strategy to try and maximize those profits. So the other two trade management strategies will be set or tiered ticks to take off contracts and profits, but this one will let it run as long as the ribbon is green. So it doesn't happen every day, but when it does, this is a perfect example of allowing the manager to maximize those profits. So right back to the beginning, if we were manually trading this, we have got this opening range for the first 5 minutes for the oil pit open. It's coloured in green because the bias is bullish, so we're only looking for the long at this point. When we're trading it manually, we get the 6 bias depth heat map time frames all bullish, so we go long. We go long here, we see this pullback, runs out of juice, it goes again, it pulls back, runs out of juice on lower than average volume with these stops, and now we are in a position where the cloud is still, the ribbon is still green, and we are at approximately 272 ticks profit, okay, for this range breakout trade. So rather than just saying yes, I'm happy with 10 or 20 ticks, or I start with 5 contracts and at 10 ticks I take off 3, at 20 ticks I take off 1, and those will be options. What I wanted to do was bring the manager into a trade management strategy with this automated trading system, because when it goes, it really goes. Right now, this is at $270 odd profit. Really, really, really good, strong profit. And what will happen is, with this conservative trading strategy, as soon as this ribbon goes red, it will take the profit. At this moment in time, it's still going, it's still pushing. So even if it's pushing for another hour at 300, 350 ticks, it will still go. So if you're trading this manually right now, one of the things you will want to consider is we've had a pivot here that's pushed away from, and we've had a pivot here that it's pushed away from. So in reality, if you're trading this manually right now, you should be locking in profit with a trailing stop right here. And that would be locking in approximately 160 ticks ish, okay, profit. So if you're trading this trade manually right now, with the xBrat range breakout, you've got the divergence, the bias depth heat map giving you full 6 different time frames, all bullish. So you're going to go long, you're using the manager, we get this pullback, the ribbon stays green, it goes again, it pulls back, it goes up again, locking 160 ticks profit. And again, when we release this in the coming quarter as an automated trading strategy, you can select a conservative trading strategy, and if the cloud isn't green, it will revert to your manual one, which will be a set number of ticks to take profits. But if this ribbon is still green, it will default to the conservative, and right now we're at $2,700 profit for one contract on this range breakout. So really, really excited about the automated trading version of the xBrat range breakout. But hey, the links down below are for the trading indicators for the xBrat range breakout, the bias depth heat map, and the manager, because combined manually trading this would have made $2,700, and that's a hell of a lot more than actually purchasing them. So really, really good, and the purchase is for a lifetime license as well, by the way. So very strong, good trading strategy. Just have to be patient. If that opening range is red, you look for the short. If the opening range is yellow, there's indecision, you just don't trade it. Okay, hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.